Terraine Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us at
Way up
allterraine.com.
here, man. It's all Terraine Cleaning Solutions, man, out of Sacramento. Up there, Softwashing and cleaning them gutters, man. That's what he do. He gets down, cleaning concrete and all. So that's coming up next, man. I'm just trying to handle my business, man, and stay positive, stay taking care of the household, man, you know, and keeping my house uptight. So sometimes it's not all about the, you know, the inside and the fanciness of the kitchen and all that. Sometimes you gotta get that curb appeal and that backyard appeal together, man. So you host something, you wanna have something, man. Hey, come see my boy, All Terraine Cleaning Solutions, man. Sacramento. I'm gonna post the number and everything. Come check him out. He gets down. That's all I'm saying, man. Handle business.
Hey, welcome everyone to allterraine.com. And I am Terraine, owner of All Terraine Cleaning Solutions, LLC.